There's a turbocharger. That was 700 new. Then I got these valve covers professionally painted. Here's a stainless steel 4-inch accordion. I'm going to slice it here and take the stress off it there so I can slide my tank up to the oil filter right there. Here's a broken bolt. Here's another broken bolt. I'm wondering if I can just weld these solid because nothing hooks up to them. There's another one under here. Here's all Zach Smiths going to the fuel filter. High pressure hoses. Damn, I'm sinking, man. Man the pump. Man the pump. Jeff and I did a 2-inch sea strainer. There it is, sitting over there next to the bucket. 2-inch sea strainer connected to the seacock, which I took apart, which is a tapered bronze. And there's a shift linkage to the gear. Tonanco gear, 2-to-1. The impeller, that's where the water comes in. That's where it goes into the engine right here and cools the fresh water. Now on this 4-inch nipple, we'll try and get down to deck level. I need to cut it right here and go up from there. There's another frickin' broken bolt right there. Can I weld it up on the bottom? Looks like we're good. Here's the alternator bracket. And I'm having trouble with that. I guess the alternator goes on them 2 pulleys. Them 3 pulleys are ready to go to a hydraulic pump that I have in the house. But what do I need a trap puller for if I'm going to be hand lining? Because I'm going to use conch traps. My plan is to have about 50 horse conch traps and sell them as horns for 25 bucks a piece. It's legal to kill a horse conch because a queen conch is endangered, and horse conchs eat queen conch. So I'm going to kill a bunch of orange fuckers. What's that, the muffler? Alright, over and clear, standing by.